Hey guys, this sat in here overnight. Look how much liquid it got out of it. Now we take this out. It should be nice and solid. This is really wet. This is the cheesecloth. Now what we do is it's kind of firm, see? Then you scrape out the insides, and then you put your stuffing in, and then you put your tofu back on top. There's the liquid again. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and cut this through. Make us a well. Now we're going to dig this out a little bit. Now I let mine sit overnight. You don't have to. You can let it sit for about 3 hours. But since today is Thanksgiving and I want to use it today, this is how I'm doing mine. I'm just putting it in a bowl. Get a little bit more out. I don't want to go too deep because I don't want it to break on me when I flip it out of there. But I think that's pretty good there. Now we're going to go ahead. I made this stuffing also last night. I made these all yesterday so that I could have it today. Okay, so I just dumped it in there. I didn't use it all. And I'm just going to press it in to my tofu. And I still have room for a little more. I have quite a little stuffing left over. Just going to keep pressing it down in. Like that. And now that's pretty full. So I won't use all the stuffing. I can put that on the side. Now we're just going to cover it back up with this tofu. Hope you guys are all having a wonderful Thanksgiving and liked my little Thanksgiving Day message that I set up for you guys. I'm just going to go ahead and press this using my clean hands. And get some more. I can't wait to taste this. Looks good. Last little bit here. Okay, I went ahead and smoothed that back out, and now I'm going to flip it onto my pan. Flipping it on my pan, I'm going to go ahead. I made this sauce. It's 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard, 2 tablespoons of low sodium soy sauce, a 1/3 cup of red wine vinegar, and a 1/4 cup of balsamic vinegar, and then you just mix it really well. Okay, the next step is preheat your oven to 350 and then go ahead and you're going to baste. So when you flip your tofu turkey out, you see there might be a little cracking. Just rub your finger, like that, and then you can also press this in a little bit to make it more like a circle. You'll figure it out because I just did. And then just dip your brush and you're going to baste all this, and you're going to keep basting it for every 15 minutes for 90 minutes. Just lightly, because this can leave marks in your tofu. Just like that. It'll soak in the flavors and it'll taste good. Just like that. All around. See? Again, every 15 minutes for 90 minutes on 350. Here's what the inside looks like once it's cut. You see this filling, stuffing in there, and the tofu around it. Looks good.